Hello and welcome back. So I have been downstairs and I found a a little Ziploc bag. It's a good 2114s VIC, and it looks like there are actually 5 of them. So this is good. It is. So what I'm going to do is turn this machine off and lift the lid and put up the garage door open, not the garage, the hood thing. I'm going to aim down, 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 down. And then I will zoom in. Actually, you know what? Bear with me for a second. I had the tripod thing way up, way up. So I will move it down and get it aimed nicely at those two 2114 chips. Now, okay, the machine is off. This thing here, it goes to the monitor, is kind of in the way. I am wondering if I kind of swoop it around the keyboard connector, does that make it some better? And indeed, I think it does. Oops. But we do need better light. We need better lighting and glasses. Okay, so what I'm going to do is one at a time. The machine is off. I'm going to pop this chip out and set it way away. And I'm going to grab this other chip here, which I'm just going to try and look at here. Oh, the writing on it is very faint. Also, the lighting ain't great. But it is a 2114. Let's see if I can do anything about that. Let's try that again. Oh, yeah. 2114. Okay. So I'm going to check the witness mark. I'm going to go to this little socket here and try. Sometimes it's just not easy getting in here. But I think that's in. I'm going to turn this on and see if anything has changed. Oh yeah. Now, just a moment. We'll back out just a little wee bit. I'll put this leg down. There we go. And then we'll aim upwards. Oh, there's the pet. Up, 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 up. Where did you go? We're not there. There we are. Commodore Basic. Arbiter 1.4. Isn't that magic, even though we're a little off kilter? Okay, we're now supposedly on kilter. So let's just try something here. 10 print world of, oops, of Commodore, semicolon, colon, quote, go to 10, and we will run Look at that. It's lovely. Lovely. We'll back out a bit. How do I do that? There. We'll back out a bit. And aim down, I think. And there. Indeed. So, one bad 2114 chip. So it looks like, if all goes as planned here, I still have 4 good ones left. So that VIC-20 that gave of itself, well, I mean, it burned, it smoked, has done very well. This really is a great organ donor. So here we have the 40th pet. It's up, it's happy, it's working, and life is good. You know what, maybe, possibly, we'll see. If we can reach Rudy. Let's see. Now, where can we find? Oh. What is this? Okay. Rudy. Alright. Rudy has been working on a machine. I know he was also doing some video chip things. Now, he may or may not be available. Let's just see.
You have reached the voicemail box of...
Okay, so Rudy is not available now. So I don't want to hear Penny. Penny! Okay, so one bad chip. Now what I need to do is just a moment. Inside this fine machine. Nope, maybe not. Hi, Penny. How are you doing? Yes, Penny. I'm working on things here inside the other machine. No. Inside somewhere. Oh, no. Not inside anything. I have here some more bags. Yes, I know, Penny. I know it's good to put things in bags and mark them. So I'm going to write bad 2114 40th pet video. Yeah. Hi, Penny. I know. Are you there? Where are you? I know you're there. Oh, Penny. Oh, Penny has reached up the top of the chair. What are you trying to do, Penny? What are you trying to do? Okay, I've got that in a bag. So, life is good. Hello, Penny. Hello. I know. No, Penny, this isn't a good time to come up here. There still could... The soldering iron is probably cool, and the pet is working. So, oh, hi. Penny is rubbing her head on my back. Hi, Penny. Nice to see you. Okay, so thanks for coming and seeing the resurrection of the 40th pet. And, and it also, it's the one that has the cool Think funny, I haven't checked. I'm afraid to check and see if the screen is Velcroed on. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I like the looks of it. It has like a glare screen. Okay, Penny, 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 where'd you go? Where'd you go? I can't find you. I can't find you, Penny. Oh, there you are on the floor. Thank you. Okay, so thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day, and now we'll see what we can do with pet number 41. Bye for now. David Bradley in the TV room, signing off.